Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If your Windows 11 computer became slow after an update, do not worry. This usually happens due to background apps, temporary files, or a recent update causing performance issues. In this video, I will show you how to fix a slow Windows 11 PC after an update. First, open the Start menu and search for Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Now go to the Startup Apps section from the left side. Here you will see apps that start automatically when your PC turns on. Right-click on the apps that are enabled and not important, then click Disable. This will reduce load on your system and improve performance. Once you are done, open the Start menu again and search for Disk Cleanup. Open Disk Cleanup. Select your main drive, usually the C drive. Now check all the boxes to select temporary files. Click OK, then click Delete Files. This will clear unnecessary files and free up space. Now check if your PC performance has improved. If your computer is still slow, the issue might be caused by the recent update. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on Windows Update. Then scroll down and open Update History. Now click on Uninstall Updates. Here you will see a list of recently installed updates. Find the latest update based on the date. Click Uninstall next to that update. Follow the steps and remove the update. After that, restart your computer. Your system should now run smoother. That is how you fix Windows 11 slow performance after an update. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more Windows troubleshooting tutorials.